Right, so we've just arrived on site for today's installation. This is an electric vehicle bay, so we're going to be using our ESD tiles. So the ESD tiles have metal pieces in them and grounding tape that's going to ground it all out, so there's no damage to any of the electrical components being worked on in this bay. So ESD stands for electrostatic discharge, and this is a specialist flooring product that goes down. We're going to put tape underneath the tiles and we're going to plug the floor in every 80 square meters to a grounding point, and it just means when these electric vehicles are being worked on, we don't risk any damage to any of the components on the vehicle caused by static. So we'll show you the process and show you guys what we're up to. We've got a couple of points where the ramp's been moved that just need levelling, and then time to lay the tiles. Okay, so the levelling's been done, we've got all the tiles ready to go now, we just got to lay the tape. So the grounding tape goes underneath the tiles and just joins it all together in one big grid. Right, so we're just finishing up, last few finishing touches. So every 80 square meters on the ESD system, we need one of our grounding earth plugs. So this end plugs onto our grounding tile and the other point straight into the socket. Right, that's us all finished, just time to reveal it to our client here. This is now a much safer area, less slippery than before, and the floor's all grounded out, so less risk to damaging the components they're working on with these electric vehicles. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.